So we obviously started with the mask itself.
Right, a face covering.
Yeah, covering the nose and mouth, specifically here to cut down on germ spread or block airborne stuff.
And this all ramped up during the pandemic.
Pandemic, yeah, that global disease spread.
Yeah.
And related, we mentioned an outbreak.
Which is more localized, right? A sudden jump in cases in one place.
Exactly. And the early success made masks feel like a sensible precaution.
A precaution, something you do beforehand to prevent a problem, like wearing a seatbelt is a precaution.
Perfect analogy. Wearing a mask is a precaution against illness.
And if you do feel sick, you might show symptoms.
Right. Symptoms are those physical signs, fever, cough, tiredness that indicate illness. Wearing a mask when you have symptoms is that courtesy aspect.
Driven by that big concept.
Yeah.
Social responsibility.
That powerful idea, yeah.